Hi, my name is Bill, and in this 4-minute video we're going to do a little Lake Erie Shoreline adventure. This video was shot on the same day as my last video, but you know, good days like this are hard to come by during the winter time, so when we do get a good day I try to take advantage of it and do 2 or 3 shoots on the same day. We're down here at the Geneva Township Park, and last April through June they were doing shoreline erosion control down here, and they placed all of this anchor stone which they transported from across the state and brought it down here, and each one of those huge stones, some of them weighing more than a ton, were placed individually by some very skillful operators of backhoes and you know, the various kind of construction equipment. And as you can see, it's completely done a great job. We're looking here to the west, and the section that you see in front of you was done 2 or 3 years ago when you see that there's a pathway to the left of your screen there up on the top. That has been redone because the parts of the original pathway had been broken up and cracked and fallen into the lake, so they came down here and did this restoration a couple years ago, and it's been just perfect. They did a great job. I think there was a south wind this day and the lake was fairly calm, and you can see there's not much wave activity. We always like it when it's kind of like this. So after we you know, checked out the erosion control, I wanted to go to the east of the park. Every year when I come down here several times a week on my bicycle for a bike ride in the morning, I hear an American bald eagle flying from its nest down along the lake shore. It's a lot of times I see it, a lot of times I hear it. So since I know that it has migrated to somewhere during the winter, I knew it wasn't going to be around, and I knew it was safe to kind of fly over here and try and see where its nest was. Now, what I'm going to have a little arrow or carrot sign pointing to where its nest is once I get there, and you'll see it pop up on the screen. It's at the top of a tree, and you might want to stop it and at some point and go back and look at it. But for me it was kind of a neat thing to see finally where there it is right there. That's where the nest is, and it was kind of neat to see where that eagle was taking off from and flying along the lake shore. See, there's nothing on the trees. It's the dead of winter here, and we don't have it won't have any leaves on the trees for several months here, as we're still in wintertime mode, which means a lack of good flying weather. Anyways, after that we're just gonna kind of turn it around, back it in, and land it here. Thanks for stopping by and watching. Leave any comments that you might have down below. We are hoping for some good weather so we can get another shoot in soon. Thanks for stopping by and watching. Bye.